You're watching Canada's Weather Network. To help you plan your activities in the coming days, here are the short and long-term forecasts for your area. To upload your photos and videos, visit upload.theweathernetwork.com.
When severe weather strikes, get critical information through StormCentre on our app, website, and TV channel. Stay ahead of active weather.
We've launched StormCentre here at the Weather Network for the system moving into Atlantic Canada. This deepening low-pressure system, a weather bomb, if you will, that will be having an impact Saturday right through the day and continuing into Sunday as well. You see our pressure tracker and just how deep this system will be. So let's take a look. The late portion of Friday, we'll see some unassociated snow flurries, but as we move into Saturday, that's when that widespread snow begins, moving from the south inward. Let's pause things there at Saturday evening because we are going to start to see a transition to some freezing rain and some ice pellets for southern Nova Scotia, parts of PEI and southern New Brunswick as well. Southern Newfoundland will also start to get into that wintry mix as we get later into the day Saturday as well. There's a look at our wind gusts, which will also be strengthening as the system moves in. So especially during the day on Saturday, we are going to see strong wind gusts. Some areas looking at gusts in the 70 to 90 kilometer an hour range right on through the day Saturday and continuing into Sunday. Let's pick things up where we left it off Saturday evening as the system continues to make its way through. Rainfall moving in for coastal sections of Nova Scotia, southern Newfoundland as well. And then we've got some snow flurries in on the backside of that system for Sunday as well. So let's take a look at our forecast totals for precipitation. As far as our snowfall is concerned, areas of New Brunswick looking at potentially 20 to 30 centimeters or above in some areas. Parts of coastal Nova Scotia will see less snowfall because you are going to be seeing some rainfall as that transition happens from snow to ice pellets, freezing rain, and straight rain as mentioned. So areas of coastal Nova Scotia, including Cape Breton, looking at potentially 30 to 50 millimeters. The Avalon could be seeing 50 to 75 millimeters of rainfall throughout this weekend. So make sure you are taking necessary precautions. We could see power outages associated with the system, so make sure your electronics are charged. Don't be using your generators indoors. Have lots of food and water ready, and do not travel unless it is absolutely necessary, because it is going to be a messy couple of days across Atlantic Canada. Let's take a look at what is going on elsewhere across the country. We'll begin in southern Ontario. This will look at our overnight temperature and wind chill, and it is going to be quite chilly. Extreme cold warnings being put in place by Environment Canada. Minus 20 in Toronto overnight, feeling like minus 29. Orangeville going to feel like minus 32 with the wind chill. That's what we're going to be dealing with during the day on Saturday. So similar conditions to Friday. Toronto minus 11, feeling like minus 16 with the wind chill. And the good news is that we are going to be, for the most part, precipitation free across much of the province. For Saturday morning, we are going to see some light snowfall, wheat clipper system moving through parts of the northwestern Ontario, moving through the middle of the day. But southern Ontario, eastern Ontario, cottage country, and much of Quebec will be dry through the day Saturday. Some of that snow starts to build back in around the St. Lawrence late Saturday, but just light snowfall in nature. Let's move over to the prairies. Temperatures and wind chill not too severe there. Minus 4 in Saskatoon, feeling like minus 7. We've got some mild air continuing for parts of Alberta, Calgary on Saturday, 5 degrees. The weekend will be mild. Colder air returns to you to start next week. There is a look at that clipper developing across the northern prairies, bringing some snowfall into Manitoba early Saturday. Then it moves into northwestern Ontario, as mentioned. But let's talk about that cold. There is that Arctic air that's going to sink south to start next week. That'll be in place until the middle or end of next week, so we'll illustrate that with the next 7 days across Calgary. Very nice weekend, but a sharp drop in temperatures to minus 2 on Monday, minus 16 on Tuesday. Chance of some flurries there as well. We've got some atmospheric moisture targeting the south coast of BC, so showers will start to make their way down the coast tomorrow morning, and by the evening getting towards the Metro Vancouver area, looking at about 30 to 40 millimeters along the Fraser Valley through the weekend.